What's up, Chet? How we doing? Ooh. Everyone's having a good Sunday. Monday for me. Sure, everybody. Sarg 3v3, thank you very much for the 6 months, my brother. And also Mac Talks thing with all the legs, 11 months. Is a bloody tier 2, brother. Thank you very much, brothers. Oh, and Sturdy as well. Sure, my bro. A whole year, my brother. What a year it has been. Sure, my bro. Thank you very much for the 12 months, brother. Bro, as a tier 3. Bro. Shout out to the brothers, to you, Marco and Sarge for subbing today, brothers. It's like 1, 2, 3, goddamn. Thank you very much, brothers, for that. Man, we just literally started, and Mama, thank you very much for the 100 bits as well. Okay, chat. Today, we're carving today. Good to be back outside. So, a few things I want to do today. So, cleaning is one of them. And, I think we should start drawing up today. I'm gonna give that a crack today. I was supposed to do some designs, but I decided we'll just carry on anyway, just to save time. And then we'll see where we are from there, and then try and figure out what we do on this the sides of the carving that we've been doing lately. And we should be good. All the love, brother. Thank you very much, brother Sturdy. And I believe our commander's exclamation mark subs when we're outside, so you can see how much there is instead of asking me, because I don't even know. How you coping with the pandemic? Oh, there's really much of a pandemic here, brother. It's just the Karens here now. Yeah. There's nothing really pandemic-y here. It's just Karens these days. But I mean, we still treat it like it's here, like just to be safe. Thank you, brother Billy, for the bits, my bro. Cheer, brother Cheesecake. Yeah, bro. So we put a thing on Instagram to choose our nom nom emote. Rise to this guy. Thank you. Rise to the sky. Thank you very much for the bits as well, brother. Bro, it is the coldest in NZ today. Hello, Connor the boy, and Depression. I hope I said that right, brother. Sorry, Apple. Should've known the first chance I gave meant disaster. What should I do? Cause I'm about to quit looking for love, and that's the truth. So what I'ma do is don't fall for that bullshit. I'm just being honest, I promise I will never. Okay, the Karens are definitely going hard at the moment, my bro. I can't find a donation button. Did you just watch? I'm not gonna tell you, brother. Man, it's cold. Yeah, so we'll do that today and see how much we can get done. I kind of forgot that I left the piece out in the rain last night, so it's a bit rainy. I don't know where I was going with that. Cheer, crazy. Cheer, JT. Okay. Let's get some work done, eh? Hey, cheer, Akita. Thank you for the bits, my bro. Also, chat, yeah, so as I mentioned the other week, the setup's going to be changing. so you guys have a better viewing experience. How do I say this? Hogs, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Rainwater, it's not too bad. No, nothing really affects it that much. So we're gonna clean up these legs today. I might turn them around so you can see the full thing. Is this music DMCA? No, this is my mate that I went to music academy with, so it's safe as. He actually hit me up on the weekend saying we should make a song together. And I was saying, yo, let's make an intro song for the stream. Yeah, so I'm only allowed to play a few specific artists on this stream. Yeah, I did the EV Community Day. I wasn't really feeling it, to be honest. I legit got one shiny EV and called it a day. Like legit. I went back to Pokemon Unite. I haven't found the main yet. Yeah, I wasn't really interested in the EV day. Who's all catching EVs at the moment now? Since our day's over. I mean, it was a 2-day, eh? From what I saw. What's the track name? This is my bro DZ Music. So DEEZI DEEZII Music. Yeah, I just wasn't feeling it. I wasn't really feeling it. He's on Spotify, so if you want to go check it out. But yeah, I went to Music Academy with this guy. He's one of the good bros. Back when we were in lockdown, he made these songs. Oh, Chuma, bro. Yeah, it got weird on me like that too, Pogo. I just tried uninstalling the whole thing, then reinstalling it, and yeah, it worked for me. So let's clean up these legs today, for now. Girl, you think I'm playing when I'm saying but no. Girl, I mean it for sure, for sure, for sure. Just joined. It looks like a loaf of badly sliced bread for a moment. Trust me, brother, you're not the only one that's thought that. What's up, unfunny president? Oh, hello, Foxtrot. Welcome to the stream, brother. We're currently cleaning these legs, my man. We'll be looking at drawing on our design today. I wanna ask you to dance, but I can't, 'cause you make me so nervous, baby. I go to reach for your hand. So I've just been asked to do a bit of a trophy too before November. So I was trying to figure out how to get the iPad up and going on the PC so I could stream it, but still having trouble with it. Hey, what's up, Buff Courage? Chew, unfunny. Yeah, I'm doing good, brother. I was supposed to go to the gym this morning, but as I was ready to go, my daughter woke up and yeah, wanted to play. It's like, damn it.
it's so hard to breathe when I'm in your company. Can't remember how to speak. Blame my insecurities. I can see you with me all alone, dancing in the sea. But I'm too nervous when we meet. I wanna ask you to dance.
What does it look like? Glazed bread? It's probably the timber and the water on it, I guess. Or you're just hungry? Ain't nothing wrong with starting your day with a bit of toast. Or ending your day with a bit of toast. Cause you're so gorgeous. What are you making today, brother? So we've been doing this tickle over the span of a few streams now. What I'm currently doing is cleaning the leg. So I gotta start cleaning it up a bit before we start drawing the design on. I can see you with me all alone, dancing in the sea. But I'm too nervous when we meet. I wanna ask you to dance, but I can't, cause you make me so nervous, baby. I go to reach for your hand. Hey, what's up, X? It's always satisfying to watch this. Thank you, brother. What kind of table do you use to hold your crafts? Oh, this is just an AEG clamp from a hardware store, brother. It's a good alternative to a workbench, you know, because it's portable, easy to store away, and it doesn't take up too much space. So that's always good. Great way to end the night. Oh, cheer, brother. But I know your standards. Oh, bro. Yeah. I want to make sure it's not too square. Like, I try and get it as smooth as I can. Like, I won't have this kind of, like, strictness on the cleaning on a bigger piece, because it's all good, you can just whack it. Idiot with a grill, that's one of my goals in life, to have a work shed of my own. We were trying to move into, or we were trying to apply for this house, like rent it. It had a double garage and it would have fit me perfectly. It had a room behind it too, so I could have had it as a stream room, and all the carving stuff in the double garage, but they haven't gotten back to us, so someone else must have got it. Rounding on the point of center. Thank you, brother. Yeah, it's kind of gutted, but oh well, that's just what happens, eh? Someone else will eventually get it. Yeah, we're thinking of moving somewhere else to rent, because our area is getting really bad now. Like people speeding up and down the roads, people like lurking at late hours of the night. I've caught a few snooping around, like here, and but they didn't see that I was like outside watching them, because I had actually come outside to get some of the bags out of the truck, like the clothes bags, and they're snooping around trying to look for stuff, and yeah, they're looking in the shed. Like, there's nothing in that shed. Like, we don't keep anything valuable in there. It's just a place to store stuff that we don't need inside the house. And yeah, they're looking around, and then I went, "You're good, bro? You having a good look?" And he got the biggest fright there, and he ran. Yo, Lone Eagle, brother. Appreciate the sub, my bro. Welcome to the stream, brother. Yeah, man, it's getting really bad here. But yeah, that's always been one of my goals, since I was young. Like, own a house with my own workshop. I think it's every craftsman's dream. Fair on that, bro. Our area is getting not safe lately. Plus, we live on a main road. It's hella busy. Oh, yeah, brother. I can understand that too. Yeah, it's getting a bit crazy in terms of like the area, the neighborhood. Like, it was good as like this neighborhood and one down the road too is known just for being a really chill neighborhood. And since COVID kicked in, obviously people were losing their houses, and the government came up with an emergency housing plan to put people in like motels and whatnot. And just so happens to, yeah, some of them are crooks and thieves, so our area is getting quite bad. The sick Brooks, nah, it's got a blocked nose, brother. I always get a bad blocked nose in the mornings. It's annoying. Bagazi, thank you very much for the 2 months, my brother. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hope you're good too, brother, right? Morning, Fanta. Yeah, so that's something I've been saving up for even since I was back at school, like a house and like a workshop. And yeah, like thanks to you guys, I've been saving money here and there from you guys, but I also got some more timber coming in that I just bought. Thanks to you guys, so I'm looking forward to I don't know. You know how people like lose their shit when they pull a good card? That's how I feel when I get new timber. Need a steam? Yeah, brother. Just need a good hot pool, I think. The fabled orange towel off the line. Bro, one day I legit hung my socks. Like, I started the year off with a good few socks, eh? And ever since that night I caught that dude, bro, I've been running out of socks. I'm sure they've been stealing my socks. And the missus is like, where the hell are all your socks going? As a good old work excuse. My word. Yeah, man, I'm looking forward to seeing it. Okay, I had to get some bits for a trophy, so I'm gonna do one of those. Clean leg. There we go. Sock weirdo hard out. Little Moss on a Rock, thank you very much for the 2 months, brother. That is a cool name. Much appreciated, brother. Bro, hard, bro. I always wonder where my socks have been going. Plot for Oceans 14. Yo, Hubs, thank you very much for the raid, brother. Welcome to the stream, my bro. Much appreciated. What were you up to today, brother? Might upload this VOD today. Oof. Just trying to get these thighs nice and smooth. So they're good for drawing.
I know that you've been waiting on me. Don't get impatient on me. I'll pick you up, just get inside. You kiss my face.
Hey, right.
You put your hand in some private places. You crazy. I like it. I might
Just glad my daughter's birthday is over too, so I can focus on other things now. Kinda just tunneled on that last week, even though I had stuff to do. One moment. Hey, cheers, mate.
So every time you visit,
Cheer, my bro. How are you? Play some Pikmin. What's that, brother? Yo, thank you, brother JT, for through to October. Holy hell, this guy. Thank you, my bro. Yo, cheer, Pope, cheer, Fish, Fishy, and also, much appreciated, brother Matt, and cheer, Robbie. Oh, Shotty McBangbang's here. Cheer, my bro. Thank you very much for the 14 bloody months, brother. Holy damn. How you been, Shotty? Long time, my man, long time. I was with my brother-in-law's on the weekend, and we had to go and pick. So this is a bit of a. We had to go and pick these like stools up that one of their grandfathers had made for the marae. And he goes, yeah, no, brand new, nice, sanded down, and all new timber as well. Semi-far, these chairs better be mean. So we go to pick them up, right? And bro, they were old as fence offcuts, and it looked like he had sanded them in the dark because they were patchy as. He goes, okay, take these to the marae. And I was like, bro, those are gonna be gone now. No one wants those. Those are ugly. And so we take them, and like a half an hour later we get like phone calls. Who put those ugly things up there? What did your neighbours say after the Jacinda visit you? Oh, they didn't say anything. Like one of my neighbours is one of the bros I went to school with. We're in the same class. Passion fruit lady. I don't think she actually knew that she was here. My neighbours behind me at the time didn't really know either. I'm just glad they weren't partying and arguing that day. Hey, cheers, Starly. Oh, is it your birthday, Pope? Hey, can we get some happy birthdays in the chat for Pope, please? Blashko! Happy birthday, brother. How old are you today? Surely at Mahi. Hey. Happy birthday, brother. Congrats on all your success so far on streaming too, my bro. Bloody proud of you, brother. And keep going, my bro. Thank you very much, chat, for sending happy birthday love to the brother Pope. In honour of you, Pope, I'm going to play this bloody TikTok that I thought was funny AF. It's along the lines of Popeness too.
Broad spectrum sun protection.
Oh.
Turn.
This is legit. Why can't I click on my profile? Oh, there we go. Hey, bro, this is for you, Pope. The gym. That was for you, brother. 25 today, brother. Damn. I remember my times as a 25-year-old. Boy, did I play up a lot. Yes, I did. I was like, wow, that's how you start a gym session. Bless the gym before you smash it. That was for you, my bro. Bro, if I see a rubber hammer and I'm standing next to some plates, I'd probably do it too. Happy birthday, my bro. He don't even understand, he's lucky just to be a man and you're with him, but I don't think you want to keep it that way. Come for a ride, relax your mind. So we're just getting rid of all the unnecessary parts on this leg, and then we'll do the same on the other side as well. So leg, in Māori, the Māori language, te reo Māori, is waiwai, W-A-E, W-A-E. Happy birthday, my bro. I love your work. Thank you, Patrick. Please, Q. Morning, hey, marbles. So we're just trying to clean this leg up, then we'll move on to this one here. Do the same exact thing that we've done. Clean them up. I can feel it's a bit square over here, so we'll fix that up later. But for now, we're just gonna carry on. So we'll focus on getting this dude drawn up today, and then we'll move on from there. Yeah, chill, my bro. You bugger them, my bro. I know those feels, brother, when you're working and then everyone wants to be a dickhead. So just to be that guy when they're eating noodles for lunch, I ended up just going to get a mean ass pie. Hello, how do I say that? Vakun? Yeah, so the setup will be changing really soon. Just waiting for things to make their way to me. Just waiting for things to be delivered. Are there like extension cords for like webcams and whatnot? Because obviously I need them to be quite long for where I want to position them. Regans! Oh, I'm all good, brother. I'm all good. Just happy to be home finally, brother, and chilling. Get back into grinding on stream. Also, chat, I have, as I mentioned last night, I've got 5 Mega Bundle Hearthstone codes to give away, not cards. And we figured out how we're gonna do it, like give them away. So obviously I have to give them away on the PC, but like we'll do it in like milestones. Would people be keen for some Hearthstone codes? I know there's a few Hearthstone players floating around in here. There are USB extensions. Oh, cool. Thank you, Fanta. I'll go and have a look for those when all the stuff arrives. Matt, thank you for the 5 months, my bro. How do you like Diablo yesterday, bro? It was fun. I really wanted to carry on, but yeah, I couldn't because my daughter. But yeah, man, I loved it. There was a moment there where I just wanted to, I was getting too into the game and I was about to stop talking and just play the game. But I hate doing that while streaming, not talking to you guys because I feel rude. Cheer, my bro. You have a good day, brother, and happy birthday, my bro. If you stream tonight, I'll drop in, my bro. Haven't caught a stream in a while. How you been, brother? Hey, what's up, Sacrio? I've been good, brother. Just finished celebrating my daughter's 3rd birthday over the weekend. It was a bit of a hectic week of prep last week, so my streams weren't really that consistent. But we got everything done. And now I can just knuckling down and focusing on streaming more during the week. And yeah, trying to get up there. Trying to get up there, brother. So, what we were talking about, so I'll ask again, are there anyone that's keen on some Hearthstone cards in here? What's your opinion on New Zealand being closed to foreigners? Oh, it's just because of COVID, eh? Gotta take safety precautions, you know? Makes sense. Oh, organism! Hey! Cheer, brother organism. How are you, my bro? Thank you very much for the all the leagues 11 months, my bro. Much appreciated, brother. How you been? Battleground in Hearthstone. Oh, right. Okay, so I was talking with everyone last night while I was doing Diablo. So as I said, I've got 5 Hearthstone codes to give away. So, can someone put exclamation mark sub? Doing well, hope all is well, brother. Yeah, I've been doing all good, my bro. Busy week last week. Time to just knuckle down and grind on stream once again. So I'm pretty happy that the busy week is over from last week. Because I really wanted to stream over the weekend, but I just couldn't. Okay, 173. So I was talking with everyone last night, and so since I've got 5 codes to give away, so 1750 will be the first one, 8 will be the next one, 850, 9, yeah, and so on. So they're saying all good to do it like that, but I asked first. And when we hit those goals, then my second stream tonight will give them away. Because I have to do the giveaway on the PC, unless I go do it inside and run back out. I always love woodworking, but I mainly work with steel. Oh, nice, brother. Yeah, so this is a traditional Māori wood carving, brother, or whakairo as we call it. It's been around our people and our culture for many years, brother, or long time, brother. It was the method we used to basically tell our myths and stories as well. Oh damn, we got a dollar. Yeah, I better read this out. Oh, Bestiano with the $50, bro. Thanks for the EXO course, bro. Whoa. Bro, that's a lot of money, man. Thank you very much, brother, as long as you're good, though. Holy cow. Also, chat, the grinder has hit the shores. So hopefully we should be expecting it this week. I'm excited. Thank you very much, Bastian. Was not expecting that, brother. God damn. There we go. Okay, time to clean that thigh. Okay, chat, I have a question for you guys too. Oh, Bastian, thanks for subbing as well, brother. Sorry about that too. Bloody missing it. Thank you very much, my bro. Turtles rule though. I like turtles. Oh, true, brother. Public utility. As long as you use it on more on yourself, brother. But thank you very much, my bro. Really appreciate that, brother. It was a bit of a busy week on top of being stressed because I couldn't stream as much too. Like, damn, people might lose interest in what I'm up to. Thank you, brother. Let's clean this other leg now. Thank you, brother. Stone Max, cheers for the tier 1, my brother. Oh, thanks, Best Jana. Much appreciated. Now, is that number changing? I can't tell. Part of the gang now. Are you part of the gang when you clicked in, brother? Thank you for being here, though, everybody. So let's get this thigh clean. How the hell ain't she surrounded by cameras? How the hell paparazzi ain't go bananas? How the hell nobody else get the same? Did this shit come out of the latest Italian? Maybe she waiting for someone to say it can happen. I would say that she don't know she fine, but she knows she fine, so what's happening? Ain't a magazine, but I just got my vaccine earlier today, now I can barely move my arm. Oh, you're gonna turn into, what's his name? Eustace Kid from One Piece. Good night, brother, man. You have a good sleep, brother. Changed from last night, just not sure how quick it is. Oh, all good, my bro. As long as it changes, so people know. Fuck, yeah. Because everyone keeps asking, what's your subset? So I just, put it on the screen on the PC. Like even if people were DMing, what are your subset? And I just screenshot it and show them. Fully vax and start of June. Oh, nice. I think all the elderly are still priority here, which is good. Hey, what's up, E-Bug? How's your day been? Adam Patel? Oh, pretty good, brother, pretty good. One hiccup this morning. I missed my time to go to the gym. I was about to go, but then my young one woke up. It's all good though. I'll get there. Jeez. So let's clean this, and then we'll look at drawing up. I might draw 2 designs first, chat. and let you guys decide. So I'll probably go inside and get a paper too.
I don't really dance, but I'd love it if you gave me a chance. Cause I watch you, baby, I'm your biggest fan. I love the way you move so far.
I bet the gym shifts itself when you walk in. Not really, brother. There are much bigger dudes than me in the gym that I go to. I just try not to talk to anyone while I'm at the gym, eh? I'm just there to train and leave. Hey, cheer, Miss Shady. My second vaccine shot in about a week. Looking forward to having an excuse to take a long nap. Hey. Cheer, Alex. How did Kara go after that ring drop? I went to bed. I was gonna play Classic, but I ended up playing D2. Oh man, there's some abba dabba donkeys in the gym I go to. So like abs, abbed up. But I still enjoy going to the gym though. Look after the body. Donor! Good vibes, mate. Cheer, my brother. With the 15 months, my bro. Oh. But I know some of them, I'm not going to say who, they wear pants, and let's just say my pants from knees down are more bulgy than theirs. Thank you very much for the 15 months, my bro. Stone Max, I usually do commissions, brother. Pretty much almost done, my bro. I've got one more commission to do. But the bro hasn't been in the streams lately and I don't want to start without him. On top of potentially having a big job that I could do on stream. Which I mentioned last week. Painful. I was too tired. Oh, you were tanking, eh? Best Jalla. Greetings from Germany. Guten Tag, Josh. Cheer, brother Valoon. Mark Masu. Hey, Brooks, haven't watched you in a while. Welcome back, my brother. From the Czech Republic. Hey, what's up, Rillinfin? Hey, Forbidden Season. How you liking the one arc recently? Yeah, it's been pretty good, bro. It's been pretty good, especially in the manga as well. I haven't read the latest chapter yet. I'll probably do that later after stream. Before I have to go and pick up my little sprawl. Every time I come outside now, she goes, "How are you going to do, Sally?" Bro, how was it last year when you went viral, and how does it feel? Do you mind me? Smaller viewership nowadays. Adam, bro, it's all good, bro. Open ace to it. So last year, yep, we were like hitting big numbers, eh? Like from, because of the whole clip that went viral and the hype of the internet. Yeah, it was going like 100 Ks a minute, eh? Like fast as. And so from like hitting 10,000 viewers every day, like train wrecks amounts of viewers or limit max kind of viewership. Yeah, it was cool. Like it was a cool experience. But it was fast as, eh? Like there were points where I was stressing, like, but I try to just keep my composure and keep calm and carry on. Like it's like the spotlight was on me, and for someone like myself, I hate it. Like from having like 12,000 subs and then and 10k viewers every day, it was a crazy hectic experience. It's something I'll never forget. Like it was a good experience. seeing that, like how Twitch can change up like in the blink of an eye. Then as the months go on, like numbers start to drop. The hype of the internet left me and carried on, and yeah, I don't mind today. I don't mind now. We got a nice steady and chill environment now instead of it going fast AF. And yeah, I'm able to, like, you can push exclamation mark subs and it'll be up just so you can see it. Mainly put that up because everyone kept asking what they were and I didn't know how to show them. Yeah, I'm just happy people still tune in and chill with me. That's the main thing for me. Gotta go. All good, Rylan. You have a good day too, man. So I found out about your channel. Oh, true. Yeah, it changed. Big hug from France, man. Love what you're doing. Have a great stream, man. Love all your community, bro. Cheers, Stone Max. You have a good sleep, brother. Yeah, Adam. So like, there was a point where like, because of the amount of eyes that were on me and attention, there were points where it became too much for me because I've never had that kind of attention before. And I remember standing in front of Mrs. Brooks and telling her it's becoming too much. I think I want to stop. And yeah, she was telling me, you can't. You have people that enjoy watching your streams and you know you want to deliver for them. And yeah, I just remember looking at myself and in the mirror and don't be a bitch, because that's what the old you would have done. It was more to like put myself out there, and yeah, it's been one hell of an experience, brother. Meeting a lot of amazing people like you guys, like, oh no, not meeting, but you know, coming across some of my idols in the streaming world who are friends with me now, which is a buzzy experience. Yeah, there were points through like that whole of last year where it became really overwhelming. So I'm just a kid from the bush, eh? Like, didn't know anything about Twitch other than watching. And then it kind of hit me all at once. But yeah, happy I carried on and called myself a bitch in the mirror that day and carried on and didn't give up, because I've done a lot of great things. But even though it's a different point in, I don't know how to say this, my streamline, not timeline, yeah, just gonna carry on, and when the day comes where people lose interest in me, that's when yeah, I'll probably carry on carving anyway, and then just find a job. Yeah, hard Fanta. Hey, cheer Texas Hula. What's up, my bro? How old are you? I am 29. I will be leaving my 20s next month. I'll probably salute my 20s and carry on. Even having the PM come visit. Yeah, bro. So, like from Twitch staff, because I had Twitch staff from the ANZ branch, because I'm closer with them than the international. They were saying that I was the first person to have a world leader on stream. I was like, really? I feel like people would have already done that by now. But they're like, no, you're the first, like, in the flesh. I was like, damn. Okay. How you been, Texas? Can we get a shout out for Hula, please? Oh, it's already been done. Thank you very much, Brother Ryan. Like, even when I'm having hard days, like, streaming hasn't always been perfect. Like, there've been those stressful days. But I just think about all of you guys and all the messages I always get, and just think about that moment when I was looking in the mirror again. Sorry, I'm just tying my hair. Do you sand these at the end, or is it still carving? No, just push cleaning with a chisel, brother. We don't sand these. It will make too much work. Way too much work, brother. I'm waiting on the rain to die down so I can throw some steaks on the grill, but oh damn. Crossing my fingers. Man, that sounds good right now. Oh, a steak. I haven't had breakfast either. So I'm just beveling these hands now. So that's the next thing we gotta do. You watch Naruto? I haven't watched it in a long time though. So Brother Jackson, so you have to type in !LAB, D's, that's the bro Deezy, and Kings. Bro, here come the food talks coming in hot now. No talk no more. Yeah, so I've got some timber coming in. I'm so happy that it's coming in, eh? Just a few blocks. So I'm just setting our bevel line for this hand. You put your spaces in private places. Yeah, so these are our commands there. So that's everyone that I listen to on stream. The first two, LAB and Kings, so their labels and the artists themselves gave me the okay to play their music. So if you want to chuck them on, have a listen. LAB is one of my favourite bands. So they're all from NZ whānau. So that's something I kind of want to do with the stream as well, showcasing NZ music. So this is one of my good mates that's playing right now. Hello, Dark Lord. It's the Dark Lord. Cheers, Brother Bastiana. You have a good night, man. Thank you very much for the dono as well, brother. You have a good sleep. How do I say goodbye in your native tongue, my bro? I went to my nan the other day and she made basically the best chicken dish I've ever had. I think it was like traditional thing in his home country. Ooh, yum. Love me some anything that involves chicken, eh? The $5 kill. I think that's funny because that's what I called her too, eh? $5 kill, because I didn't know her name at the time. I hope she's well though. Gute Nacht. Oh, I hope I said that right. Gute Nacht? Did Catchify give you their blessing? Nah, brother, they didn't. They didn't reply to my message. Have a good night, brother. Oh, cool, I said it right. Cool. That's probably what I'm gonna start doing. I need you to all teach me how to say hello. and goodbye in your fellas' native tongues. I like Mabu Hai, that's where's it from? I don't want to say it just in case I get it wrong and offend some people. What's her name? $5 girl? I forgot. Alright. Bad Bunny. Oh yeah, that's her name. Isn't there like an artist called Bad Bunny now? Hello, Levicius. Eagle 2 Frosty. Thank you very much for the 4 months, my bro. Wood carving in VR. Oh boy, that would be cool to give a go. Like to have a go at. Because I know there's like VR spray painting. I was watching one dude play VR. I think it was a Star Wars game. And I don't know if they're NPCs either. But like, he goes pretty Darth Vader on the me. Like he smokes this one dude. Oh, Eagle! With the 5 gifted subs, brother. Oh, thank you, bro. They went to Bad Apes, Ricky Rob, Brainiac. Bread makes us fat. That is most definitely true, brother. And Baboas. Thank you very much, brother Eagle. Sorry I didn't see that right away. Much appreciated, brother. BRB, I'm having dinner. It's tacos. Ooh. Okay. I have a question for everyone in chat. If there is food within your vicinity of where you are, what is it? What are you having? So I can get jealous. Thank you, brother Eagle. I've seen someone wood carve in VR with a chainsaw. Oh, true. I've never really tried VR, eh? Well, I've watched it. Like Beat Saber. But that's about it. Pretzel, sausage, and mac and cheese. Ugh. What's that frickin' friction? What's that, bro? Currently got a coffee. I think I want a coffee too, because I'm getting cold. Hot dogs with corn, mayonnaise, ketchup, and onion. Ooh. Bro, one of my favourite things is onion rings, eh? I love those. I'll rate them. Damn, the skew needs a sharpen. Thank you for saying thank you, Bread. Josh CG, thank you for the 2 months, my bro. How are you, brother? Onion rings are life. Yeah, I love onion rings, eh? Especially when they make them thick. Not these, skinny ones. Love me a good, thick, deep fried onion ring. Quesadilla. Oh, yeah. Did I say that right? Thick with 2 C's. That is right, my man. Beer battered once. Oh, mate, stop flirting with me. Stop flirting with me, my mate. Oof. go. Oh, Eagle! With another 10 gifted subs, bro. Bro! Do you like cheese? Hey, I know you're referencing Think Like a Man. Those went to Rose Jewel, Ensvy, It's Mr. B, Toshi Bento, Shotgun Unknown, Bandwagoning, Not the Dark, Fabian VPA, Snake Socks, and Rage Wolf. Thank you very much, brother Eagle. Oh, much appreciated, my bro. God damn. Eagle going all out. Yeah, he's going full Nacho Libre on us. Steady. Thanks, Josh. And just add water with the 14 months. Oh, all the big ones are coming out today. Thank you very much, brother. Bird. Much appreciated, Fano. God damn. Oh, sure, Ninja. What's up? It's my birthday. Happy birthday, Thuma. Oh, another birthday today. Hey, cheer, brother Silver. Cheer. Good to see you again, my bro. Can we get some birds in the chat, please? Pretty much the only reason why I wanted that, mate, because we get a lot of bird sounds. All good, cheesecake. So we're just trying to bevel this thing. Loving this, mate. Do we need a hand emote too? I was kind of wondering if I should get a fake mustache one or a hand one next. Talinguini, I'm having a good one, man. Thank you. The time for me is 10 past 11. So we're just trying to build these fingers and then we can carry on. I'm just gonna go boil the kettle and then I'll come back outside. I'm sorry, I'm getting really cold now. Oh, I think I need to go hot pool. Alright, I'm back. Sorry. I was getting really cold. Brother Shadow Edge and Peacekeeper, thank you very much for subbing. Welcome, welcome. I think I pissed Mrs. Brooks off too. Just came here watching my friend play Diablo where she then died after a few hours of playing and forgot to save the game. Oh, that hurts. That hurts my soul knowing that. So this is what I did. So I went up to Mrs. Brooks, trying to be all cool. And then I looked at her and went, "Do you want a fork?" And she was like, "What?" And then I picked her up. And then she was like, "Oh, okay, what's going on?" And I gave her a fork and I walked outside. I was like, "Bye." Swilly, what does kia ora whānau mean? So kia ora means hello and thank you, and whānau means family, and that's how I like to acknowledge you guys. Hello Hazuni. Thank you Teeling. Yeah, so I'm trying to doghouse couch. Nah, she won't let me sleep on the couch because she knows I'll like it, because I'll jump straight on the PC. So I can't tell you to sleep on the couch because you'll be keen. She'll be, yeah. Just means I can play a lot of Pokemon Unite on the couch without getting disturbed. So I'm trying to prove all these fingers at the moment, chat, before we move on. Oh, Eagle! Again, brother! Thank you for the 5 gifted subs, brother Eagle. They went to Ruthless Skies, Jester Chapman, Zerkies, Black Angel, and A Bad Man. And thank you very much, Kiwi Crow, for subbing as well. It's the good positive vibes for me. Oh, thank you, brother Eagle. Just happy you're watching, my bro. Much appreciated, brothers. Please, you've rounded that up to 20. Oh, damn. Much appreciated, brother. Let's all just chill, eh? Thank you very much, my bro. Damn. You carve your own. Hey, Christopher. So the day we get a dog, I actually do want to carve a dog house. I've already mentioned this to chat. Like, I know how I want to lay it out. I might even draw it on stream. Okay. You've really made me want to do this, so we'll finish this hand. I'm going to get my pad and I'm going to draw how I want my dog house to look for when the day comes that we have a dog. Thank you very much, brother Frosty. How long would it take to carve a doghouse? Oh, it shouldn't be too long. Like, all you'd have to do really is like carve a normal doghouse, and they basically can just put carvings on the front of it. But that's something I've always wanted to have, is a dog again. I haven't had a dog in years. Like, I would have one now if our landlord wasn't such a tit. Because we're renting, we can't just go and get a dog if we wanted to. We have to wait. Oh, we can't not wait. Sorry, we can't have one. He basically said no. Understandable. I mean, it's not our house. We don't own it. So Mrs. Brooks wants a beagle, Frosty. Tim the Sorcerer, thank you for gifting us some to Poopy Bum Bum. What the hell? So Mrs. Brooks wants a beagle. But for myself, I've always wanted a husky or Australian blue retriever. Had to do it, eh? How did you even find that name on there? Like, I know huskies are a lot of work, but I mean, I'd be keen to take them for 10k walks every morning. Or even just go and kick around a rugby ball on the field. Had to do it, eh? Poopy bum bum, okay, dude. Hey, cheer one note. Oh, all good, my brother. If you want to talk about it, brother. All good. You can search for specific viewers. Oh, you can? Really? Oh, so that must be how the bros gifted subs to Pokimane and Valkyrie's old Twitch account. Like before I met Mrs. Broxy, I was quite the fan of Valkyrie. I was quite the fan. I'm 30, by the way. Ooh, shall be 30 next month. Isn't it too hot for huskies there? I mean, they shit, eh? But I mean, if it is too hot, me and him can get us a blow-up pool. I'll have a beer, he has, I don't know, water. Yo, Tempest, thank you for the 2 months, brother. Hey, Brooks, have you seen your finished Gold Roger piece? I think it came out great. Yeah, it came out amazing, brother. I was talking to AD over the weekend, just seeing how he was. Hopefully he's good today. If you could lick any type of wood, what would it be? Geez, I wouldn't do that at all, to be honest. Like when I was at the carving school, like when new students would come in, especially the know-it-alls, because they were the good ones to do it on, would ask them what type of timber this is. Like it could be any timber that we had at the time. And oh, it was a good one, eh? One of the timbers we had was Maire. Now Maire is a hard timber. It's hard. It's so the Europeans called it ironwood. But it has one of the most beautiful grains you'll ever see in a timber here, a native timber. Maire, M-A-I-R-E is how you spell it. Nice golden syrup looking grain as well. And one of the students started, he was a bit of a know-it-all. And one off thing about, like, it's a beautiful timber, but at the same time when you sand it, it smells like piss. Like, it's worse than an asparagus one, I would say. Way worse than an asparagus smell. And there just so happened to be wood chips on the ground one day. And our man goes, "What kind of timber is this?" And we smell it, and you should know what it is. He goes, "Oh, I don't know." So we, "Oh, okay. Well, there's only one other way for you to figure out what it is. I mean, eat it." And he ate it, man. You should have seen his face. It twisted way harder than Toby from Naruto's mask. And then we all just started laughing. Yeah, man, it twisted way harder than Toby's mask off Naruto. So, what is that wood, Simi? That's yummy wood. It was funny, man, it was funny. Good times, good times. Like, even if people, like the students left their chisels out, because we tell them day one, look after your stuff, eh? Look after your tools, because those are the things that are going to help you in the long run as a carver. And if some of them left their tools out, we'd take them. And they can't complain either. The reason why we say that to them is because a set of chisels can cost over like $3,500. That's how expensive chisels can be, and hence the reason why we tell them to look after their tools. And yeah, usually if they don't, we're like, Chirp got me a free $80 chisel. Cheer pride, lads. Thank you very much, Nerd Squad. It's okay. Thank you very much for being here, brother. How are you? I am doing much better than last week, brother. No more planning needed to be done for my daughter's birthday because it's been and gone. Thank goodness. One of the disappointments of the birthday was they didn't eat the cake. And I couldn't eat it because I'm not a fan of sponge if it doesn't have jam and cream. Hey buddy, I was asking myself about that carving you're doing. Is that a totem? So Fox the Genome? It's a form of a totem. Like, it's not exactly like our cousins over there, the Native Americans over there. It's similar to a totem though. So we call it a tiko tiko, which is our 3-dimensional carvings that we have, which are usually situated on their own, so they can be a standalone carving, or they're placed on the apex of our wharenui, or our ancestral meeting houses. Right. Also, chat, next month, so we have a thing in here called Māori Language Week, where the entire country, well, not everyone, you know, there's those people that don't want a bar of it, highlight the native language of ours called Te Reo Māori, and Twitch has decided to take it up to showcase some Māori streamers as well. Not really sure who's going to get chosen, but whoever does, I hope they do well. And it should be starting next month. I wonder who it's going to be. Who do you think will win the rugby championship? Well, I'm hoping we do. I won't say anyone else, because I'd be lying if I said someone else. just being honest. What do you think? Oh, yeah, well, haven't popped into the stream in ages. The wood carving is looking amazing. Thank you, Ryuji. Just getting ready to draw up on our designs. Just tending to the fingers at the moment. Mutty fingers. There you go. What are your thoughts on the Springboks? Oh, they were cool as. Their captain's the man too. That was a well-deserved win by them. Yeah, we'll see who gets in. I nominated my cousin because he was the one that got me into streaming. See how it goes. I hope he gets in. Centre line. Oh yeah, I was gonna draw my ideal dog box for when I get a dog. Alright, here we go. Centre lines are in. Alright. So I'll go and get a pen and a paper soon, but just marked out the centre of our face, and we'll start drawing in that design. So historical reason for the three fingers, yep. Bledisloe Cup, America's Cup, and the what's the other one? Yeah, I don't even know. It represents birth, life, and death, brother. If there's a fourth finger or a thumb, it represents the afterlife as well. So it's the same thing for our meeting houses too. It's in the resemblance of the human body, the human anatomy. Usually at the end of the large barge boards, they'll either have year 4 or 3. The life cycle, that's what the three fingers represent. Oh, true, Fanta, I didn't even know you were still here. Thank you for gifting us up to Pride Lands. True, Viking Rage, tēnā koe, bro. True, Rust. Oh, Guzzy. Thank you very much for the 5 months. Gus, how you been, brother? I've missed you, brother. I'm so happy I can catch a part of the stream. Cheer, my bro. Good to see you. Good to see you, brother. Long time no see. Do drop. Thank you very much for subbing too. Welcome, Fano. If you have any questions too, like, don't be afraid to ask. Don't hold back at all. Or if you're just chilling, by all means, chill away. Most likely upload this VOD to YouTube today, because people from YouTube have been asking for updates on this carving, what it looks like, ones they can't tune in. I was like, oh, all good. I've still got to shoot a video for YouTube as well. Love your work, man. Thank you for the Dewdrop. Much appreciated for the sub as well, my man. How are you today? Fit well. I'm doing all good, brother. Just, getting more work done. Viking Rage, have a great stream as always. Thank you very much, my bro. And appreciate the biddies too. Have you sketched or made for Kaido and gaming characters? Law carvings? Nah, I don't really plan on doing that. Not really, brother. Like, I mean, yeah, no, I haven't done that. What's the temperature, bro? Jeez, I don't know. I'll Google it for you. Oh, I uploaded my bro. It's all good. It's all good. Okay. Temperature, it's 11 degrees, bro. There you go. Well, what is that? It's normal Andy pine. So just getting ready to draw up. Just wondering what what design I want to do. Sewers Salmon. Cheers for the sub, brother. So that's our centre. Hey, chew, bad apes. Need some healing, brother? Chew, my bro. How are you, brother? Just getting ready to draw up. I've also got to draw my dream dog box. Thank you, Josh German. Alright. Let's get this clear so we can see what we're drawing. Te whawhānau, one moment. Oh, Chew Fanta! Yeah, I was downloading them too, but my PC ran out of room. I think I got like 5. Yep. Thank you, Brother Crane. As long as you think that, brother, that's what matters. That's always what matters. Carve yourself a new hard drive for more room. I've actually thought about doing that, eh? Like carving myself a custom tower. Just a matter of would it work? Would it help? Like the pieces in particular. Are you Jimmy's dad? I have no idea what Jimmy were on about. I got a 5 terabyte external. God damn. You should start a podcast with some mates and talk about the world. Ooh, yeah. I mean, it'll be cool, but at the same time, a lot of people might. That's not right. Half the time I wouldn't know what to talk about, eh? Like to see your opinion on something as well as people like you. Oh yeah, I guess I'll think about it. Or you can just ask me to, like on here for now. Like I still gotta jump on Trainwreck's one. He really wants me on. I'm just hoping nothing comes up this weekend so I can jump on. Because I owe it to him. He's been sub to me since the start too. Oh, hold on, chat. Our head's not the same shape, so on each side, so I want to fix that. Don't want a lopsided head. Ain't nobody want that. Go, boy. Oh, it's your plane, Jane. Don't do stuff with train. Why is that? I mean, I don't get involved with his gambling stuff. I mean, I watched him get a mill, but that's about it. I've been watching him since he used to play well. So I think my brows. Let me check these brows. No. Yeah, man. Lopsided head. Don't want that. We do not want that, my friend. Gambling stuff is toxic. I mean, yeah, I don't really get into it myself. It's not something I do. But I mean, loot boxes on games are just gambling as well, right? What if I have a lopsided head? Oh, you're all good. I'm meaning on the carving. What time is it there? It's 20 to 12. Oh, bro, I don't even... Bro, it'd be buzzy if we had hummingbirds here, but I don't think we do. I still gotta do my next, leveling up with Brooks stream. Have you been enjoying those? To the people that have been, joining in? I know not all people have been. Hey, the Gus, thanks for gifting a sub to the John. Please don't ask for subs, fucker. Blue Hoser, Auckland or any other place in NZ. I live in Rotorua. Blue. Cheer, bad apes. You have a good day, brother. Oh, Maya, go and mod for Thunder, please. I'm alright. How does your towel get dirty? When you place it on your balls and you rub, I guess. Isn't that how a towel would get dirty? On your armpit, on your face, on your neck, on your crack. So your butt ain't nasty anymore. You ever been to Tonga? No, brother, I've never been off the North Island. Thank you once again, brother Gus, for gifting us sub. There's some butter in your donations. Oh, was it sturdy? No, they're wet. Ah, sturdy. Bloody nose. Thank you very much for the $50 there, sturdy. I can see what you mean by butter and the dono. Bloody hell. Thank you very much, my bro. Much appreciated, brother. Bro, I'm only just trying to make this head look even. Thank you very much, my bro. Jeez, the chat's going crazy. Shop money, brother. Oh, bro. Much appreciated. Oh, save your money, brother. You know why. Alright, these birds are going nuts, eh? Thank you very much, though, brother. Okay. I need to see this head from like a top view, eh? Oh, Gus going hard. You're supposed to be going to bed. Gus gifted 2 subs to Stone Dread, Kage, and Godfather Actual. Oh, damn. Thank you, my bro. Please go to bed, brother, like you were saying, please. What's your tribes? Tuhoe and Te Arawa. Those are the main tribes I was raised by, so I acknowledge them the most. Your work looks so good, boss. Thank you very much, big dog. Okay. Shut up, my bro. Keep up the awesome streams there. Many people love for that. Thank you very much, Jude. I think it's Jude. Does this? Yeah, I'm planning on cutting right back, brother. So once we figure out what I'm going to do here, we'll cut straight through, do all our levels, and then I plan to cut some of the back out so we get this piece here, so this section and between the legs out, just to give it a bit more light. And so I can do up the legs at the back too. Alright. I need 3. Jingies. Sturdy Butter, thank you for gifting a sub to Jude. How many times you take to finish one craft? Oh, I'm not sure. I don't really keep track of how many times. A few, I guess. Because I'm quite I'm that guy when it comes to like cleaning and all that, if that makes sense. I want it to all look good, all to a standard, I guess. Okay. Oh damn, we passed our first milestone. Okay. Well, I have to go inside and we will be giving away our first Hearthstone code. Alright. I'll just do this, chat. And then I'll go in, start the giveaway. I'll talk to you through the chat. Okay? Is that all good with you guys? Can I get some yep, yes in the chat? Okay, sweet as. Cheers. So what I'm planning on giving away, so I've got 5 Hearthstone hey, go to bed, Gus. Thank you very much, Gus. They went to Wowie, Jamarks, Get an LM, Carnage, Sentinel, and Rowie. Thank you very much, brother. Okay, so just letting you all know, I've got 5 Hearthstone codes to give away. Since we've passed our first milestone, so it was 1750. The next one, so first one is 1750, 8, 850, 9, and so on. So I'm giving away 5 Hearthstone Mega Bundle beta code, not beta, codes to give away, so it comes with like a few things. So I'm just going to go inside, I'm going to start the giveaway, and I'll communicate with you through the chat, so I'll be typing on the computer. So I'm going to start that now, and won't be long, and then I'll be back. Okay, here we go. Just yeah, talk amongst each other just for a few, and then I'll be with you very shortly. Alright. Apollo Reyes, where are you? Are you in the chat, brother? There he is. Alright. How long you been following for, bro? Congrats, Apollo. I'm gonna need you to like DM me. Wait, he won 5. No, he won 1, so I'm giving away 5. Not 5 at once. Alright, Apollo. You can either DM me on here on Twitch or through Discord, and I'll send your Hearthstone code to you. So what I'm giving away is 5 Hearthstone cards, Mega Bundle codes. Sorry. Thanks to Blizzard ANZ, not main Blizzard. Alright. So our next one is at 1800, I believe. So Apollo, yeah, I just need you to DM me, bro, and I'll send it to you, brother. Congratulations, bro. And depending on if we hit milestones while we're still live out here, we'll do another. If not, there's always tonight. Alright. I'm just checking out the head. Where about NZ are you from? Jude, I'm from Rotorua. All good, brother, love from Sweden? Yeah, I'm all good, brother. Just got a bit of a blocked nose, but it's nothing too serious. And I was eating an apple. Yep. So Apollo Rees, you are our first winner. It happens to the best of us hard, bro. Alright. There we go. I forgot to get a pad and a pen. Oh, I got a pencil, sorry. Let me just go get a paper and we'll draw those designs up. Oh, thanks Apollo, I see your DM. So after the stream I'll send you your Hearthstone code, my bro. Thank you very much for DMing me. I will just go and get a paper. Right. So people ask me what my if I ever got to make a dog box or for a dog eventually when I get one. So this is what I'd probably do. So I'm just gonna speed through it because obviously today's about carving. Alright. So how I would specifically do it. Mind the Twitch artist thing. So this is what I do. Let me just draw it right side up please. So I'd probably do platform. Yes, I'm left-handed. Platform elevated off the ground with like 3 rows of foundations. And then I'd have like 2 big pieces up the front there. And then a main backboard bit. So this is like the normal basis of my dog box that I would do for once I get a dog. So these 2 sections here, I'll fully carve them. And probably along the top here too, I'll carve the top bit. But that's all going to be like, obviously you have your mattress and whatnot. Skello, what is this? Thank you very much for the tier 1, brother. Sure, AD. So yeah, so probably like section them off. So do a face, nose, eyes, then a body. You know, like fully carve these. I'll fully carve these. Fully carve this. Do a face up here. Arms, body, leg, do a head there. Like I will try and go all out, but that's my basic design of what I'll probably do, just to keep it elevated off the ground so the dog's warm. And also one of the designs I might do on this carving, there's something else I was supposed to draw on it. Is this? So I'm planning so one particular design that I'm thinking of doing is so this particular design here represents, like, it can represent the fish, the crescent moon of Maui. It's a design that's dominantly used by Ngāpuhi, which is the tribe up north. That's where you'll find it most of the time. So you can see. So I just take my time doing like the bases of it. One more. So yeah, this is gonna be trying to do it fast but slow at the same time, so you can get back to carving. Just so yeah, because obviously it's about carving too. So I might do this design just because it's an easy design and I can't really get too intricate with it. Because you need quite a bit of space, and I don't have the small chisels just yet. I'm still on the waiting list for them. So this is what you normally do. Spiral up. So I'm just drawing the bases for it first. I think I got a decent pick of 2 for facing orange. Better photo them now. Oh, good AD. All good, brother. One moment, I just got a message from someone. So I haven't done this design in a long time as well. Oh, last one was on Maraki. But yeah, most of the time the Uno-Nahi represents fish scales. Like it has references of fish scales throughout it. And since we've been talking so much about Tangaroa lately, since carving that piece, I thought, why not use that design? So this is just the basis of the design that we're doing. It's quite a simple design too. The only chisel you'd ever need is your 13 V chisel and a high, which is a 12-6 or anything lower. And then in between we'll fill these out. So the main thing being is this design can represent fish scales. I've been told by another master carver that it can represent the crescent moon of Maui. Now obviously you don't go fishing on a full moon, go for the crescent moon and then go out the next day. Sorry about the Guy Fawkes lines, Whānau, just trying to get it done. So now that we got our bases down for our Uno-Nahi design, cheer brother sword. Now we start to apply the fish scale design that is the main highlight within this design. So normally you can have 2 or 3, but since our people like to work in 3s, that's how much I'm gonna do. So yeah, do about 3 crescent shapes, so just the representation of the fish scale. Getting into this now, sorry. This happens to me quite a lot, chat. I get entrenched in what I'm doing because I love it so much. So it's good to, like, even though there's like 2 cuts or 2 rows, try not to make, you can make them identical if you want to, like place them in the same spot as the other one. It's all personal preference, but I like to like put them in different places compared to the other row. So this will most likely be the design that I'm going to do on this carving that we're doing. And then put them on here. So facing them outwards as well. Okay, let me just finish this. Sorry if I'm missing comments as well, Whānau. I'm almost done. Okay, so that's like the main sections that are done, and obviously you have the center cut that comes in. So there are 2 ways you can do this design. You can do one main cut through the whole thing where you have 1 ridge, or you can separate it into 2. if you want to. So once again, it's up to you as well. Now, if there are any Māori kids watching, hope you're taking this all in too. Chuck it in your book. And say you learned it from old Uncle Brooks. Okay, let me read the chat. Did you read the message I sent you? Sorry, brother, I may have missed it, so I do apologise for that, my bro. Bro, sturdy. There's this one dude here, man. He's got a lot of exotic wood. I'm like, boy, how did you get this in? I think the coolest exotic wood I've ever seen is a timber from Brazil. One thing that sticks in my head about that particular timber is the colour it had. Purple. That was pretty buzzy. There you go. Is Thunder still on? Or is he on? Okay, so that's a chat. So that's what we call uno nahi. So you can see in the middle where we have the fish scales. So that's what those represent as well. It also is a representation of the crescent moon of Maui to indicate a good day for fishing as well. So in these sections here, you don't really normally separate them into two separate cuts, you leave them there. But this is normally like a good representation of the sea and the water, because we've been talking about Tangaroa so much, like the god of the sea, Kanaloa, Poseidon, whatever you want to call him. He blue screened. Oh, rats. Right. It's good to see, dude. But yeah, this is what this can represent, this design, so I'll spell it out. U-N-A-U-N-A-H-I. Uno nahi. Fish scale pattern. Sorry, I got shocking writing. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do today. I don't know how to spell pattern either. So that's the design that I've decided that we're going to do on the carving that we've been doing for the last few. You know nahi. And once again, you'll normally find tribes in the upper half of the North Island doing this particular design. One particular thing about this design too, the deeper you cut it, the better it looks. So that's one thing I have to remember to do with this design here. Alright, back to carving. So I'm thinking we'll draw up the mouth first. Or I should carry on trying to fix up this head. I don't know, something about it is just throwing me off, eh? Bloody croaky voice. How long does a carving like this take? Oh, it all depends, eh? Because I enjoy talking to you guys, so yeah, the time does double. But that doesn't bother me one bit. Would love to put something in my new restaurant. Damn! So I usually do commissions, brother. So obviously it'll be reopening very soon. So I'll let you know, my bro. Let's get this. Oh, sorry, I need to put it this way so I can get a whole view of the head. I'm that guy, if there's one small thing that throws it off, I usually like to fix it. Pretty much. Oh, it's all good, mate. No need to say sorry. Alright. Yeah, let me just blow my nose again. I'm getting into wood carving after watching you for a couple months back. I would love for you to see them. I'm finding it hard to make circles. Any tips? Man, it's all good, brother. No one makes a perfect circle, my bro. Like, even the ones I do aren't perfect. I guess all you have to do, brother, is just keep doing it. Keep doing it over and over again. Kind of like how a bodybuilder tries to, like, define or refine one single piece of his muscle. Like that one single piece he goes over again and again to refine it. Like that's something that I normally do too, to try and make it better. Hence the reason why I reference a bodybuilder, because that's what they do. Repetitive motions, but at the same time it's to refine their muscles and make it more detailed or perfect it more. Why are you throwing me off? Yeah, I think that's just the way the head is. Okay. Why didn't I think of that before? Viewing from Hawaii. Hey, aloha there, it's Master. I'm Master? Aloha, brother. Okay. Here we go. I've tried to steer away from circles because I don't like wasting wood. Yeah, maybe just yeah, I'm the same too. But sometimes it's the things we have to do to like get better. I mean, if you have good offcuts that's good enough to carve on, I would suggest that maybe. But trust me, brother, I've practiced so much where even no matter what timber I had, I still wanted to perfect it, well, refine what I was doing. And just my number one rule for myself, brothers, take your time. That's what I always try and think of while I'm carving. Take your time. Take your time. No rush. You're not racing anyone but yourself. I try and say that every time I do designs or, well, anything really. Just take your time. And you should be good after that, my man. So we'll draw up this head, We'll see what it looks like. See what it looks like, Fano. How many pieces do you think of that? Oh, jeez. To be honest, I lost count, but I would say definitely over 200. Or maybe even over 5. Yeah, definitely over 500 maybe. So that's starting from when I actually started, so I'm counting like when I actually started carving. Some of them were loved, some of them were not so loved, but at the same time they still found a place. Like usually if people don't like the piece, I'll say, well, you can either not take it and keep your money. Where people have it, I'm like, oh, all good. Like, it doesn't offend me. Like, I did exactly what you said, and then someone else comes along and boom, I love it, and it's gone. I'm like, all good. And then they come back, oh, we'd like that piece. Oh, it's too late, I've sold it. That's the one thing I try not to deal with, like people like that. Alright, so we are gonna need... You don't have BTT? I haven't even added them, bro. When did you start carving? When I was 12 years old, Vasily? Back in primary school. My uncle was a teacher at the school at the time, and yeah, those were one of the subjects we had every Friday. That, cooking, and weaving. And I decided just to give it a go out of curiosity. Just lazy kid, just wanted to see what it was about, and fell in love with it straight away, pretty much. Didn't want to do anything else, brother. Didn't want to go to uni because I had discovered Whakairo, and I always had a big love and passion for my culture at a young age, being surrounded by it like 24/7. Should really get it, brings chat to life. A lot of emotes with the different situations is really cool. Oh yeah. But then again it can start getting toxic with the spamming. I just haven't been bothered to get around to it because yeah, I prefer a comment to the spamming of a frog emote, I guess. That's just me, but I mean everyone's different. So we're just working on positioning at the moment for the main circles. And that wasn't it. Alright. Watch your stream, love all your work. Thank you, brother. What's the worst you've ever messed up on? So I think the worst thing I've ever done is like a certain section snapped off, but it was easy to fix up. God, I love the power of super glue. Done the drop test again and it didn't come off, so it was all good. Yeah, it was safe as. But yeah, if like even if you do like the wrong cut, I just leave it there. Like we don't make mistakes, we make adjustments. It's gives it more character if you leave it there. Just like
those old fellas they used to carve before me and many other generations, like they made mistakes in their pieces and they just left them there. And they look beautiful. Some of the most amazing pieces I've seen, like in my life. And they didn't even have the luxuries of what we have today. Okay, that's too big. So that's one of the main things I try to be grateful for. Like, even making stone tools. I still have the one I made, my stone hands blade. It's something I've carried with me since 2014. Like, it's always around me, it's never left my sight. Because it's something I made. With fiberglass. Oh, sure. That's pretty cool, you work with fiberglass, brother. Yeah, Canadian guy, your grandfather's pretty much hit the nail on the head there, my bro. That's why I always tell everyone, nah, my work ain't perfect. They go, yes it is, and my work will be, if my work was perfect, it'll split the bloody sky and the sun will beam sunlight on it. Or my carving would start talking. That's what the perfect carvings in days of old could do. And these ones ain't talking to me. Oof, okay. Damn, gotta go higher. Yeah, your grandfather's spot on, brother. Oh, your father, sorry about that. Yeah, there was some first. Okay. Thanks, my bro. Hashirama is one of my favorites. Just trying to work out this design right now. So usually I try and get at least a few loops underneath. So I don't know if I'm going to crack it again. I don't think I am. Sorry. Oh, yes I am. Hey Judy. Rue, thank you very much for the sub as well. What country were you born and raised in? You said your carving was part of your culture, so I'm just curious. I would like to know more about your culture. So, just letting you know, brother, I'm Māori, so we're like the native people to Aotearoa, New Zealand. So that's where I'm from, that's where I've lived all my life, I've never left. Never been off my own country, brother. So we the Māori people... so in days of old, we didn't have written form of language, brother, or text. So we had other methods of passing down our knowledge, genealogy as well, and many other teachings that our ancestors have left behind for us. And yeah, there's many, like from carving, which I'm doing now, to song and dance. You may know the haka done by our international sports teams. But going back to it, yeah, our ancestors didn't have a written form of language nor text. The way we told our myths, stories and legends was through song and dance. That was one, which is the haka, as I mentioned before. and the others were whakairo, so what you see here, weaving, and we were more of an oral culture, so like face to face pretty much. And that's how we used to pass things on. The rugby dance, no, it's not a rugby dance, it's the Māori posture war dance. It's just done by our international sports teams. Oh, Luke, brother. Thank you very much for the 6 months, my bro. Got any taranaki whānau? Nah, I don't, brother. Yeah, so as I was saying before, we had no written formal language, so these were the methods that my ancestors used to pass everything on to the next generation. And that's how carving's been passed on, like passing the knowledge on to the next generation who nurture it and add their own methods and discoveries they've learnt through carving, processes, adding it to the knowledge that they have, and then passing it on down to the young ones. That's kind of one of the reasons why I jumped on Twitch too, is to try and catch the attention of the younger generation, So obviously some of them want to be FaZe Clan and Among Us players and Fortnite players and all that. And to show them that our ancestors have left something behind for us that you may have interest in. I mean, if they don't, they don't. It's all good. It happens. But it has been working, and it's something I've been really bloody grateful for. Because they're the ones that are going to carry it on. I've mentioned this before. There was a young boy that met me in town here. He stopped me and he wanted to talk to me, and obviously having time for the next generation, I stopped to talk to him, and he just said, "Thank you, I never knew this about our people and never really had access to it." And his father was saying your streams really opened his eyes to our culture, and even the father didn't know about it. And the young fella said, "I'm gonna take up carving because of you, and because I want to do it for my people and my tribe, and I just want to say thank you." And legit had photos with him, and when he left, I just had to step away for a bit and take some time for myself, because I started crying, because that's what it's all about for me. I'm not really scared to hide it, so I showed, because Mrs. Box could see me, and she asked what was up. I was, just this kid started carving because he found the stream, and I haven't seen him since. So he's here, and his dad has emailed me a few weeks ago saying, "Yeah, my son is still carving." Just trying to ignite that fire within our younger generation of Māori kids that they want to do this. Because I can't carry it on forever. On top of me still doing my own work and trying to grow as a carver myself. So it's always been one of the things that drove me to carry on streaming. All these teenagers, all these kids that are emailing me saying thank you for showing me this. I've just signed up to the carving class at school, and it's been those kids that have made me carry on too, in the times where I felt it was too hard. Other than looking at myself, telling me not to be a little bitch and get out there. I thought of all the kids that have messaged me saying they've started carving too. So yeah, it's been pretty good so far. Yeah, Vito, so even because I don't have a son yet, now normally in traditional times it's the men that carve, mainly because a woman is the total opposite to what Whakairo represents. So we carve our ancestors, we carve the dead, and women bring life to the world. And then there are some points where obviously we do carvings like this. This is going to be a gift for someone. It's no ancestor in particular. Because obviously giving your ancestor away is a big no-no. Where are you from? Which province? Within New Zealand? The Bay of Plenty? And it was wonderful to see those $40. Yeah, bro, that's what's been mean. Like, even as I think about these kids now, I'm getting a bit teary-eyed. Big softy I are. Oh yeah, that's why I'm carrying on. Alright, let's get this done. Do you like the Harry Potter books? What was my favourite? To be honest, I was a fan of the Half-Blood Prince, because that's when it all started unfolding. Yo, Vicky, thank you very much for the raid, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Welcome, brother. Welcome to you and your family on Twitch here. What were you streaming today, brother? Hello. Can we get a shout out for Vicky too? Welcome everybody. We've just been on the design prep at the moment for this piece, and we are almost done on one section so far. RuneScape, damn, nice, brother. Now, I don't really know much about RuneScape, the game, so I will say that much, but how long have you been playing RuneScape for, brother? Because I remember it came out when I was at school. It's gonna be a tricky design, man, because it's small. I really need that small features when I get in. Oh, Vicky is a sister. Sorry. You know more about that. Yeah. I have watched a few RuneScape players though. My cousin being one of them. I remember him dying to some fire monster a lot. Trying to get, is it the fire cape? I think. My account's from 2006 and I still stuck. Man, my account for WoW was like from, I think, around the same time, and I still suck too. Hey, high five. Both of us. Red Sox Nation, thank you for gifting a sub to Vicky. I'm from Chile, bro. I love you so much, and you are too. You are so good. Hey, much appreciated, brother. Sir, thanks for gifting a sub to Red Sox. And then Vicky gifted a sub to Seb. Look at that circle right there. Thank you very much. squad goals. You love to see it. Thank you very much, you guys. So I'm just drawing up our design right now. Oh yes, I am going to need these small chisels ASAP. Please, shop, come on. What a beautiful bond it most definitely is. Dada Crashy? Oh, it's true, brother. Where do you live, brother? If you don't mind me asking. How long have you been working on this piece for? Geez, a couple of streams, brother. So to everyone that's come through from Vicky's stream, this is what the design that we're going to be doing. So this is a traditional design called Uno Nahi. You'll particularly find this design being carved by the tribes in the upper half of the North Island. And it represents fish scales, so if you can see the fish scales like in between the lines here and there, like all over the place. And it can also represent the crescent moon of Maui, so Maui being the demigod of the Polynesian people. We've done many things for our people, like caught the sun, told it to slow down, so we have a 24-hour time period, because he used to go fast every day and we got nothing done during the day as well. So he hatched a plan with his older stepbrothers to go and capture the sun and fight him to slow him down. And other things Maui has done as well is fished up the North Island, the thing that I'm standing on right now. And so the South Island itself is called Te Waka Maui, so that's his canoe, and Stewart Island being the anchor. And that's one thing Maui did for us as well, was fish up the North Island. So you can see that it's in the shape of a fish as well. And also, one thing about Maui too is he was a demigod, but he was premature when he was born. So his mother Taranga wrapped him up in her hair and cast him into the sea to the gods. And then he came back as a demigod. So he's not just a Disney character. He's an actual. Polynesian ancestor. So he's not just Maori specific. In another sense too, they say that Maui was a navigator, so he could obviously traverse the sea, like reading the stars, navigating that way. And he spotted New Zealand, or Aotearoa as we call it, and as he got closer, it started to rise out of the sea. So that could be another way to interpret that he fished the North Island out of the sea as well. Okay. But he's not just a Disney character. Wait, that's not the bro. See the same guy from Moana? Yeah, like same person, but we don't know what he looks like. Delta Studios, thank you very much for the sub, brother. But he did have a fish hook, but it was made out of his great grandmother's jawbone. She offered it to him. Thank you very much, Delta Studios, and then the brother Logic Overflow. Hey, with the 7, my bro. Thank you very much for the resub, brother. How you been, my bro?
When I first laid my eyes on you, you didn't have no equals, you didn't have no rivals. I knew I had to meet you. Cutest girl I ever seen. You look like an
Thank you very much, man. How you been, brother? Oh, all good, Fifi. That's why I do it, brother. I love explaining like what the design is, but I like going even further with the explanation. Yeah, man, Skulk. So hopefully once the world goes back to normal, then everyone can start travelling here. And never know, I might even come across some of you guys. Like I've come across a few viewers back when this was like pre-Rona. Never seen that before. That tuned in. But this was before I was even big in terms of like the presence that happened over the internet. Like before the lockdown where that actual clip was taken. Is it warmish in New Zealand right now? It's starting to get warm. Like we're still like in the middle of winter, but it's starting to get better. Like all the ski fields are still full and whatnot.
Maybe she waiting for someone to say it can happen. I would say that she don't know she fine, but she knows she's fine, so what's happening? I ain't a magazine, but I would love to be. Let the camera team start to work and see that you are everything that you deserve to be. And if you were with me, could you be mine? Ride or die by my side. You so fine, I won't be the one they notice as a ride. Then my ride.
Stay strong for this. Cool. It's a bit hard, brother.
They wanna reach the side, they wanna autograph, they got the cameras out. Maybe you could be a model. I ain't talking this that. You should talk to agents that could put you on front pages, baby. You should be a model. Girl, you think I'm playing when I'm saying but no.
I mean, I could probably move it over, but it looks pretty good like that.
I ain't talking this that. You should talk to agents that could put you on front pages, baby.
So just drawing here and there at the moment, finally. Could be, you could be a model. Hopefully the grinder's in before we fully drawn it up, so we can get a grinding session in before we start designing. Hey silly, this is one of my bros, Easy. It's called Model. I think I need a drink of water too. One moment.
I don't know how you put up with me. You're always there for me. Don't know where I would be without you. I don't know how you put up with me. Grown ass man called dad if I don't get thanks for my mama. You're the only one who prays for me, stay for me. I don't even pray for myself. I don't know how you put up with me. Grown ass man called dad if I don't get thanks. Hey, I know I better take you out. Don't take you out. What you think? All of this music about what it's about. I can't wait to say I made a mama.
Alright, I am back. Have you been to Oz? No, I've never been to Australia, bro. That's how much I've never been off my own country. What's up, Astro? Yeah, I've never been off my own country. Also, the difference that's going to be on this figure here will be mainly on the legs, so the legs are going to have a totally different design. There we go. Is everyone good, chat? So this is normally how I clean them. We don't use sandpaper at all, find it. Just push clean for the win.
pray for myself. I don't know how you put up with me. Grown ass man called dead if I don't give this woman, mama. So
What you do for me?
grown ass man called dead if I don't give this woman, mama.
Sorry, just checking something. How's Thunder doing, mods? Watching while I'm working on my own projects. Thanks for the inspiration. Nice, Delta. Smash it, brother. Hope you're having fun. Alright, here we go. Now, if you are studying or if you are at school, please get off the stream. One sub away from the next code giveaway. 18 is the next one. How's the weather? Oh, it's pretty cold, but it's alright.
I don't really dance, but I'd love it if you gave me a chance, 'cause I watch you, baby.
Thank you. Oh, Eagle's still here. Oh, I thought you went to bed, brother. Thank you very much for the sub, my bro. Now, it's not till 1800.
Insecurities. I can see you with me all alone, dancing endlessly. But I'm too nervous playing with me. I wanna ask you to dance.
Thank you very much for gifting a sub to Nitro, David, brother. I thought you went to sleep, brother.
I go to reach for your hand, but I can't stop freaking out in my head. You just don't understand
What you do to me, girl, you look... Aren't you in my ear as well, Ryan? Yeah, I prefer the cold weather too. I'm not really a fan of the summers. I had a quick bite to eat. Oh, okay.
Look what you do to me. Why is it so hard to breathe when I'm in your company? Can't remember how to speak. Blame my insecurities. I can see you with me all alone, dancing and sleep.
Alright. In and out. Oh, all good, my bro. Cause you make me so nervous, baby. It's for your head. Girl, I can't stop freaking out of my head. What you do to me, girl, you look so sweet. And my heart goes deep every time. Girl, I can't. You make me so nervous, baby. Baby. Hey. Hello, Brox. Who's your favourite Naruto character? If I wasn't allowed to choose Hashirama? Not really a fan of any of the Uchihas because they're too edgelord for me. I mean, Sarutobi Uchiha, was it him? He was pretty cool. But, I don't know, jeez. I mean, I like the Woodstyle, because obviously what I do. That's a hard question. I don't know, Toby number. Mind you, I like Gamabunta, he's pretty cool. And Jiraiya.
I'll give you good love and security.
I'm not really a fan of the Uchihas, eh? They're too edgelord for me.
I want ya. Fuck that guy, you don't deserve you. I want ya love. No, you really should leave. Fuck that guy, doesn't love you. I want like me. I want ya. Fuck that guy.
Alright.
I want ya love. No, you really should leave.
Pencil, where's the pencil? Oh no.
Yeah, I want your love, love. You don't want it like I want it, baby. Trust, love. God, I wish you let me show you just what's up. You know it could be better. I'm not writing letters, progressively getting smaller, but I'm trying to make you see. And just like that joke, I don't think you get it. He's a loser, he's pathetic. And baby, you're angelic. And if he don't start treating you right, he's gone. Wish I never met him, cause I'm still his girl and teaches us a lesson. And I've been trying to catch you separately, yeah. Next time you fight, girl, you can run to me, yeah.
There you go.
I'll give you good love and security, yeah.
Yeah, I want you.
Fuck that guy, don't deserve you. I want your love, no, you really should leave. Fuck that guy, doesn't love you. I want like me.
Just trying to sort this circle out, chat. Hey Brox, how do you actually get rid of or sell them? I usually just sell them. Like, oh, but this one's a gift. So I'm not selling this one. It's a gift for one of the bros. They just don't know who it's going to them yet. Yeah, this guy. Oh, you finished already? Oh, are you supposed to finish after I finish and I watch you for an hour? Hey. How was your first day, my bro, other than the disconnects? Okay, that's ripping. Oh, he's still talking about sparkling water, eh? Bloody hell. Who even drinks, okay, other than people that have come through, everyone that's been here in the stream lately, do you fellas indulge in sparkling water? And if you do, are you alright? Oh, Eagle! I'm gonna do a poll. Organ. Yo, Eagle, thanks for the 10 gifted subs, brother. Oh, come on, bro. Up 3. Yo, you gifted 20 subs, my bro. Damn, that went to... Okay, let me keep up with this. Queen of Avalon Art, Miss Banana Man, Papa Lurk, Andy, Orisika, OTK Grim, Cookie Aim, Juice, This, AC, Evan Horizon, Basil, Johnny November, your boy Cameras, Bleeding Green, Tom Players, Wizard Omega, Pivot Zero, Brother Zombie, Nuff, New Fate, and Hype Plays. Okay, I think they made us hit 1800, eh? I do not like sparkling water. That is a man that knows what kind of water he likes. Okay, so that means we got another Hearthstone code giveaway. Now I'm gonna ask this, shall we give one to Frosty as well? Since he's been doing that today. I think it makes sense to give him one. Never had a sparkling water that I liked. My man. That's a guy who knows his water. I like it. I like him. Alright chat, well it's time for another giveaway, but can we get some ones in the chat? If we should give one to Frosty, since he's gifted so many subs today, I reckon we should give a Hearthstone code to him as well. Ones in the chat please, for Frosty. Thank you very much, brother. Okay, yep. Okay, so that means we only got 2 codes left. So the way I might do it now, so our next one will be 1850 and then 19. So I'm going to do the giveaway. I'm going to go inside, give this code away. I'll get our winner, since the first winner's messaged me on Twitch, and we'll draw the second, and then Eagle Frosty I'll DM you too, because I've got the code sitting in my email. So I'll be back soon. I'm just going to do the Moonbot thing, and let's choose our next winner.
Sounds sad, but it's the way it has to be. Cause I can't take any more damage. Throw me a pretty party better than the chance of going back again just to feel the same after. You win the Oscar for the best actor. Couldn't even tell that she was lying when I asked her. Will she even love me? Not evidently. Should've known the first chance I gave meant disaster. Oh, what should I do? Cause I'm about to quit looking for love, and that's the truth. So what I'ma do is don't fall for that bullshit. I'm just being honest, I promise I will never risk falling in love again. I swear, said I will never risk falling in love again. I swear, love is nice when you're in it, it's cool. And when you're falling, there's no wrong you can do. So blind, close my eyes when they open again. It gon' leave you turn the whole world blue. What should I do? Cause I'm about to quit looking for love, and it's the truth. So what I'ma do is don't fall for that bullshit. And I'm just being honest, I promise I will never risk falling in love again. I swear, said I will never risk falling in love again. I swear, never risk falling in love again. Stories to my kids about you every night. Oh, I had to block you out for the longest time, but time heals on. Now my head's held high. This is shout out to the ones that ain't with me tonight, but I know that everything's alright. Cause real ones don't
Congratulations there, Box Boy. So that's 3 of our codes that have about to be given away today. Congratulations, guys. So the first one was to Nova, second one to Box Boy, and the third is going to Frosty. And we've got 2 more codes left. Congratulations, brothers. So they are Hearthstone Mega Bundle codes, by the way. And those are some loud ass seagulls. Congratulations, guys. I will get those to you after stream. Frosty, if you can send me a DM on Twitch as well. You too, Box Boy, please. And then I'll copy paste your fellas' Hearthstone codes to you right after stream. Right. I've been talking about the Blizzard lawsuit for a few streams, so I kind of don't want to talk about them anymore. I don't want them to be on mentioned on my stream anymore. Let's just say they're little micro penis fools. They need a good twack to the head. And just to let you all know, Blizzard ANZ gave me those codes, not the main one. What is a hangi? So it's like a method that we use to cook our food. So the ground oven. It's a earth oven. So what we would normally do, how you set it up, dig your pit on the ground, make sure it's deep enough for your food. What you do after that is you gather like dry branches and whatnot, stack them like Jenga, like you want 4 on each side and in the middle as well. So you stack them up, and on the top you'll put river rocks. You can use irons or any other. It's best to use river rocks because they don't burst from the intense heat. And once you've set all of that up, you ignite, you set the whole hangi on fire, and then the fire's heating up those rocks that are sitting at the top. Now eventually when the timber burns away and the rock falls into the pit below, those are the things that will cook your food. So you have all your kai in your metal trays or metal net trays, or how our ancestors used to do it, and weaved bowls, roro, weave baskets, place them into the hole, and then you'd cover them with best material to use these days is potato sacks, the old ones. Wet them and place them over the hangi, or you can place like large rolls of paper first, and then the potato sack, and then you cover it up with dirt, with the dirt from the pit, so no steam can escape. And because that steam is circulating in the ground oven, it's just cooking the food, eh? And then you solid. War bear. Thank you, Eagle, for the 500 biddies, my bro. Thank you very much, brother. Much appreciated for those gifteds today, man. Holy cow. Was not expecting that at all today. but it just makes sense to give you a code, brother. So the next one is 1850, and then the last will be 19. And just saying, if we hit 2k, I'm gonna eat a shit ton of KFC in front of you guys. Hey, tēnā koe Shane Young. Nā mihi e te parata. Right, ringa. Hang on, Philo, I just want to do this. Are you talking about a hangi? Yeah, my bro. Someone asked about a hangi, my bro. So just telling them the basic layout of a hangi and how it's done. Fly is cute. How was your day? Oh, it's going quite good, thank you very much. I am a bit hungry, but it's alright. Fasting, Fasting. Wait, Barata just finished morning training. Ui, mean, my bro. So are you based up in, with Izzy and them too, or are you still staying down, the Hawke's Bay area? Get against the grain, hold on. Fasting, yeah man, oh. Trying to get matatini ready now. Haka practice this weekend. Go to the gym later. Oh, nice one, bro. Check. Ah, he's making moves, my bro. It's been mean to see you fellas making your way into the UFC. Eh? Kapai. Also, chat. I've just remembered now. I've got a meeting tomorrow with one of the bros before he goes back to Australia. Yeah, my bro. I hope I get in there. Hope I make the group. Just gotta try and get fit. But lately I've been wanting to do another taiaha. Thank you, Moose. Hey, mean, my bro. Sorry, I wouldn't want to come back here at the moment. Oh, what's that? What's that? What's the matter? Hey, thanks, AD. Yes, I'm just... Normally you won't use a 12.6 on a high line this small, but I don't have anything smaller. Like the shop hasn't restocked on these small V chisels yet. Oh, Australia, yeah. Getting a bit hundy over there. From lockdowns to punching horses. Yeah, got it. This song on Spotify, yeah, just type in !D's. Oh, I don't even live in Australia, so I can't go back there. I've never even been off the North Island. dangerous.
I will never fall in love again with no patience. Don't want all these memories, but they won't go away. And I've been trying to get you in my mind. I've been trying to get you in my head.
Remember, don't fight, have a kite. Don't fight, have a kite.
I've been trying to get you in my head. And every time I think I'm doing fine, I end up thinking of you again.
Bro, where are you from? Aotearoa, bro. Aotearoa, keep I see. Keep a little life, keep a little love.
I've been trying to get you in my head. Every time I feel good, I ain't gonna get you again.
Yeah, just taking my time, finally. Don't want to break anything. Whangai lupe le whale ai wahea la tauwha. Akawali wali he hala, he papali he whai. Whala whala e a pomiloa, no ngasi au no toloha a. One moment, changing our jams. What am I looking for? Alright, let's carry on. Hey, Broxica. You got a Spotify playlist? Nah, brother, I just play the artist itself playlist. So the only ones I'm allowed to play here is LAB and Kings. The bro that was playing just before is one of my good bros I went to music academy with, so he just said, here, jam these, all good. I was key days. Alright. Right. That's it done. So the sections I've left on the ends here, just the fingernails, nothing too flash. It's a little detailing, eh? Just a little something something. Hey Rox, greetings from Chile, how are you? Hola, Camilo. I'm good, brother. Slightly on the hungry side, but hey. Work can't get done if I go and have a kite just now. I'll wait for after stream. I've been sick for a very long time. Any advice on how to be productive when it's the last thing you feel like doing? Usually when I'm sick, man, I just sleep, eh? Like, I don't really try and go out of my way to try and do anything. Like, there was a stream I done recently where I was sick and my man was losing his breath but tried to keep his composure. Just didn't tell anyone. Yeah, look after yourself, man. Why you gotta play Anakin like that? Cheer, bro. Do, 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 do. Hold up. Truce! Bloody truce! Rhymes with struth. Thank you very much for the sub, my bro. You have a very big hand, my brother. Yeah. Oh, it's alrighty. Thanks, brother. All good, all great. Thank you, brother Tomo, for the raid, my brother. Hope you're doing well, my bro. How was your stream, my bro? Hope you and your boy are well. And hello to the biggest trout in the chat. Cheer, brother, no doubt, big trout. How are you, my bro? So I'm just butting in these ends here. Good, thank you. Oh, nice, my brother. Too sturdy, yes. One of my favourite parts, eh? Like, cleaning up the detailing. And this is only the hand, bro. I haven't fully finished, like, the cutting yet. Like, so that each point meets. So, we'll be doing that as well. So I'm wondering if I should jam some classic tonight and then some D2 or some Velo. I think my battle pass still needs to be finished, eh? Thanks, brother Sturdy. One moment. Okay. Go. Yeah, so normally you wouldn't use a 12/6 for cuts this small, but yeah, just take your time. If you don't have the chisel, just take your time and have a bit more control and you'll be all good. So no need to race. The only person you're racing is yourself. So yeah, slow race because I'm pretty slow at running. Oh, it's sturdy, bro. I don't like it when my fans randomly do that. Eh? I'm like, oh, slow down, don't get hot. Please. Did you play footy growing up? NZ or Kana? Oaka? Yeah, bro. I really want to get back into playing rugby now that my daughter's showing interest in it after watching the Black Ferns at the Olympics. She's really taken a shine to it. So I figured if I get back into it, if it's something she really wants, she might want to try and be a Black Fern one day. Because my in-laws, big union family. And my family's a big union family as well. So yeah, molded together quite well. So like on the weekend we were watching the All Blacks game. It was a pretty good game. Pretty good game. How do you pronounce your nickname? Underscore. No. Brock's brother. The H is just there, yeah. Kung Fu Fatty. That sounds like me. Thank you very much for the 6 months, my bro. Thank you very much, brother. Cheer, AD, you have a good one, bro. LA, what's that? Come on, brother. LA. Here we go. The song, the last song I played, that was the bro Deezy. Hold up, let me go back to Spotify. Model. That was the name of it. That was the name of it, sir. Thanks to Thorian. California. All good, brother. Having a all good day, my bro. Monday, favorite day of the week, my bro. Good to just get some more progress in on this piece. And then once we finish it, we stain the bugger and send it to the bro who doesn't know he's getting it. Yeah. California Love, yeah man, that's one of my favourite Tupac songs as a kid. I think it was one of the first ones I ever learned. I used to listen to him, Biggie, Bone Thugs, and Harmony as a kid. Wu-Tang Clan. You used to love it, eh? You used to love it. Okay, so Box Boy, Eagle, and the other bro that has just messaged me. I will send your guys codes after the stream. Charity. Oh, that's right. You're at school, eh? From Europe. This carving, you'd normally find these types of carvings on the apex of our meeting houses. So it's either a carved face or a carved statue. But then again, a teko teko can be like a standalone carved piece as well. But this is a gift for one of the bros who watches now and again, but he doesn't know this is for him. Like no one knows who it is, only I do. You tell time. Jeff Enter. I may have found some hardwood. Oh my, on the hardwood. To make your tuku tuku. I have no idea how to spell the artist name. Just type in exclamation point D's and the bros playlist should come up. think that's the command. Jeez. I'm not trying to nut you or anything, but I think that's the command. I'm far beyond that. Far beyond that, my man. And his name's DZ Rocket. What? I think Ryan knew the command, or Fanta. Oops, I left the front door open. Or the back door. Oh, there it showed up. Must be mods only. Sorry about that. Yeah, I've got an idea of what I want to do with it, Fanta. But yeah, I'll sneak any special eggplant in there somewhere. Oof, okay. Design the shoulder. Just want to see what it looks like on the arm. Might even attempt some veins. Might even attempt some veins. Alright, so I'm just standing by the camera, but I just want to see if I'm doing it right. It's a bit forward, but there's a reason behind that, because this area. If it doesn't work out, I can always like shave it off. Maybe I should shave it off now, just to be safe, because it's too forward. Magic powers. Any news on the new sponsor? I'm gonna finish filling out my forms today, my bro, and then work on a video. I think they're gonna announce it first, and then I will. They just signed someone last week too. He's quite big as well, but I'm not gonna say who it is. He's a pretty big streamer. Young fella. Or younger than me by the looks of it. Way younger than me. What time is it in your country? Write it please. No, I can just tell you it's 1:30 in the afternoon. I'll try and draw this one more time and then I might call it a day. Dude, I went to sleep watching and woke up with the sound of a bell. This was a great night's sleep. Cheer, Mama. I hope it's not too late, my man. Go to sleep, breather. Have a good rest, eh? Always have a good rest. Oh. Alright, I'm off, yes. Have a good one, brother. Thanks for tuning in. Probably see you next time, brother. I'll probably be on later tonight, depending on what time I get to the gym. Maybe just go live while I warm down on the treadmill. Cheer, my bro. The positioning of this shoulder is going to be quite difficult. Hey, cheer, Reaver. All good, my bro. Doesn't matter if you're late or not. Does not matter, brother. You're here now. Hello, brother. How are you, my bro? Alright. Yo, what's up, Ace Blood? First time here, brother. Yo, welcome, my bro. Belzer, yeah, I'm all good, brother. Had a busy week last week. Just for family, but feeling much better now. Can just chill out and carve and talk to you guys. Yeah, so tomorrow I'm gonna be, depending on how long this meeting goes for with the bro, he wanted to have one final catch up before he heads back to Australia. One of my bros that owns a supplement company line thing. I think he wants to talk about potentially becoming my manager to help me out, maybe. One final catch up. Hey, Ziggy! Low key missed the streams. Hey, cheer my bro. Yeah, I really wanted to stream over the weekends. Just got too caught up with all the birthday stuff. And by the time I had free time, I was just tired. So I ended up just playing Wild Rift. Some League on the iPad and drawing. Instagib, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. Welcome to the stream, brother. Did you just say you were ill? No, just was tired over the weekend, just from all the stuff we had to do. Feel like I am coming down with the man flu though. Usually starts with a blocked nose. It's all good though. There we go. I wonder. Might try something different. Cheers from Brazil. Hello, new pointer. Oh, see you later, JT. Alright, let me just try and draw something right here. Let's try something different. Oh, wow. That may work. That may work. Alright, fine, you better leave it there. I'm just looking at the time now. God damn. You might call it a day here, chat. So I can sign these papers off, send them to the sponsor, and the product form as well. And yeah, it should be good. Most likely put this VOD on YouTube today too, because people have been asking for new VODs. I'm getting late in Iceland. Have a nice stream and good luck with this piece. Thank you very much, brother. You have a good one. I'll send these codes out straight after stream too, after I've finished packing up and taking everything inside. Should be good from there. Okay. Let me just put this camera up so you can see my face. True. Alright chat, yeah, we're going to call it a day here. I hope you've enjoyed the stream. Good catch up for a Monday. Good catch up for a Monday. Alright, let's turn that off. Hold on, mate. All good, brother Ziggy. Alright, so let's go look for someone to read. Good catch up, Vino, good catch up. Just seeing who's on at the moment. A lot of people on today, as we can see. I wonder if the bro Pestilli's back on yet. Oh, he is. I've always wanted to read Pestilli, so I might read him today. Been having good conversations with the bro. Alright, so let's give him a raid. How do I spell his name? Okay.